Hello everyone, it's Quoia Renae and I'm back with another video for you all. So today I will be doing my sister's hair, and if you all have seen my videos before with my sisters in it, you all will know that they are so not cooperative when it comes to my videos. They move a lot, they frown a lot, they chew gum, they be talking, they be playing with the kids, yelling at the kids. It just be real ratchet, okay? So y'all just gotta bear with me, and I'm just letting y'all know what to expect whenever I'm doing my sister's hair in my video. So I'm just going to be reviving her sew-in today. I started off by blow drying her hair with my turbo blow dryer that I got from Sally's, and I'm going to go in with some Sebastian shaping spray, and I'm going to spray her hair with some of that, and we're going to do some beach waves today. I always do beach waves on my sister because she loves her curls, honey. She loves her big wavy curls, and I love them on her too. I'm going to start by flat ironing the roots first, and I also hit the tips of it too with the flat iron, and then I go in with my big babyless curling iron, and I wrap the hair around the curling iron kind of like a wand curl, and I just hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds. Once I let it go, I drop it into my hand. I hold it again so it can kind of cool off. I squeeze it together. It be burning, but I squeeze it together, and then I kind of let it go, and it just kind of gives like a big beachy wave effect, and I really like it. And that's what I'm just going to do throughout the entire video. Like I said, you all just bear with me, or with her, throughout this video, because she was doing a whole lot of stuff. She wasn't a good model, but we just gonna pretend like she is, and we're gonna go ahead and hit that subscribe button and subscribe to your girl right now, and also thumbs up this video, and I hope you all enjoy the rest of the video. So I did end up going back in with my big curling iron and just retouching the front of her hair. However, this is how it ended up coming out. Like I said, y'all, I know she was moving a lot, having a lot of different facial expressions and a lot going on, but her hair really did come out nice after reviving it. This sewing I did about a month ago and it still looks pretty good. It's still revivable. This hair is from Kendra's Boutique. And I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure you all like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Follow your girl on Instagram at Quoia_Renae, and I will see you all next time. Remember to stay safe, wash those hands, wear those masks, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.